Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Thursday. Today is February the 27th. We are out here in McDonough, Georgia, right in the square. This is a new client, David. He owns this business, and he reached out to me about 2 weeks ago, found me online, watched a lot of my videos, and set up a consultation. All right, I came out here two days ago. As you can see, I did a few test boards. So anyway, we're going to be doing about 2,600 square feet of this this wood floor, screen recoat with UV cure. Guys, when I'm telling you it is getting busy, I've already got 15 jobs on the schedule for March already. All right, so what we're going to be doing here, guys, let me flip this around. Here a few days ago just to do a few sample boards. Okay, I did put some finish on these boards. I taped them off, so we're going to pull that tape up. And then over here, just to make sure with this type of floor that it got great adhesion, and it did. Okay, so this is the floor that me and Tavares is going to be doing today. So what I'm going to do, we're going to go first coat Aqua Pro, second coat Recoat UV Cure. So what we're going to do is start back here, all of this, okay. I've actually done this floor numerous times. Then we got some over here. And the good thing about this, guys, it has an elevator. So we was able to get our equipment up. And yeah, so this is gonna be a nice project. Tomorrow, we are going to Blue Ridge. Saturday, going back to the job that we did last Saturday and do 3 more areas for her. She was so happy. Miss Sarah wrote me a great review on Google, by the way. So anyway, guys, it is a beautiful day. And again, we are right here in McDonough, Georgia. Okay. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Stay tuned.
Go through that back area.
Look,
make sure you
close the doors. Okay.
I've had to lock it because if it's open and we're up here,
You can't say, okay, I got you. No problem. All right, guys, I'm going to have the rad coat about to go down in about 15-20 minutes. I just prepped it. Also, I'm going to put some nano wear in the rad coat to give it some more durability. But guys, come check these floors out. OMG. And Mr. Davis actually going to have us come back and actually do the downstairs as well. We're going to split it up in twos. Maybe even do the stairs. Guys, look at this first coat. Check it out. Wow. This looks like a totally, look at this, guys. I'm gonna kick my shoes off. This is like a totally different floor. Wow. Wow. Totally different floor. Check it out, Mr. David.
Wow, it smells good.
Like a totally different floor, don't it? Wow. All right, and this is just the first coat, guys, and I put it down really heavy, get a good thick build. So now I'm going to get the rad coat down on top, and then after the rad coat, UV Cure. I mean, this floor, night and day difference. And I will say too, now you can actually see the characteristics of the wood now in certain boards. It just kind of stands out. See, like right there, man, this floor looks really good. Right here, nice, beautiful floor. How old is this floor, David? 5 years?
Yeah. Most of the scuff marks on you come.
Oh yeah, go ahead and walk it. You're fine.
Well, I don't want to.
Man, this floor looks so good. All right, guys, and this is the benefits of a good screen and recoat. Put down that good two component. All right, guys, I just poured in the whole thing of the NanoWare. Now I'm about to pour in all this rag coat. All right. All right, guys. Rag coat is going down. I'm almost about halfway through, as you can see. All right. Looking good, looking good. So I've already started from that side, which is already drying. Man, this floor looks so good, guys. So good. So this is the rag coat with the NanoWare. I just wanted to put the whole thing in there because it's usually like 2 ounces, 2 ounces per gallon. So I just put I use 5 gallons, so I put the whole 8 ounces. All right, guys, looking good, looking good. UV Cure tomorrow, UV Cure Saturday, UV Cure Monday. The job that Aaron is standing for me, that's getting UV Cure. I just ordered a lot of rag coat, a lot. I think I ordered like 5 cases. You're talking about a little bit over $900 a case. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, Mr. Dave came up, looked at the floors. He loved the results, went on and paid me. And also, he said, Courtney, let me get you the square footage for the downstairs, because let's go ahead and get the downstairs done. So, guys, this floor came out amazing, beautiful. So now we're down to the UV Cure. And he was so happy that I was able to offer this service. But he said, Courtney, I was not going to sand these floors, nor replace them. And, man, this floor came out amazing. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Floors came out amazing. As you can see, the sun has gone down, beautiful night. All right, guys, I actually put a few more jobs on the schedule for March. Right now, I'm up to 16 jobs in March. And also I got a consultation that I booked in Buckhead for Monday. Oh, man. All right, that's gonna do it. Time to head in. And I will see you guys tomorrow in Blue Ridge with one of my students from Iowa. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, guys. See you in the next one.